JAYSTEPHER here today with a final tutorial on our custom Lego fifth wheel. We're going to be building the top of the coach, our removable roof, complete with sunroof, ladder for our rear, and 2 little air conditioners. I'm going to start off with making the part of the roof over the bathroom. Take a 6x8 plate. Take 2 of these 2x3s. And finally a 2x8. We're just going to place it like this. Sunroof goes here. And we're going to put our ladder right at this edge here. I'm just going to take 2 more of these 2x8s. I'm going to place one right here. Kind of lock all this together. There we go. Take a 1x1, or take 2 of these 1x1s plates. We're going to put one here at this end and one over here. Take a 1x4, place it here. I'm going to take a 1x4 smooth tile, we're going to place it right here. Some of the rest of our sunroof on. Take a 2x4 plate, place it there, and a 1x4. Now, to make the sunroof, I don't have any clear ones, but this blue will be fine. Just a clear little sunroof thing with this hinge here at the top and one of these hinge things. Normally this goes together like this, but I wanted to keep this thing wide as possible, so I'm going to flip this hinge backwards and stick it on here like so. Simply drop this down in this hole, and there you have it. There's our sunroof. As you can see, it rests nicely on top of the smooth tile. Plenty of room. Now this is going to be over our bathroom. I'm just going to take 2 of these angle pieces here, place one here at this corner. This is going to be to help keep our roof locked into place. And one about 6 studs away. Hope I get it right. Right about there. That should lock our roof in place. And our ladder. Just a simple like gate type ladder, and I put it on this hinge here, but works good as a ladder. I'm going to show you how this goes on. See, it interlocks, it doesn't move. Nice sunroof for the bathroom. There's our sunroof. The next part of the roof we're going to be starting off with will be the part for the main living area of our fifth wheel. I'm just going to take a 2x4, a 2x10, and a 2x8 plate. Put them side by side. I'm just going to start lining this here with some 1x plates. I'm going to start off with the 1x10. Anything will work. I'm going to hang it over by 2 studs. We're just going to start locking this together. I'm going to use a couple of these 1x4s here. And there's the one side of our roof structure. So we're going to come in, we're going to do the same thing again, but we're going to do it reverse. I'm just going to take some of these simply, come in. I don't have another one of those 1x10, so I'm just going to use a 1x8. Doesn't really matter. One here. And finally, one like that. Now we have two matching pieces. Let's work on the ceiling of our main living area. I'm just going to take two of these 6x10 plates. Place one on the side here. Have this little opening here for the one we built over the bathroom. Place another one of these 6x10s. Finally, I'm going to take a 4x6 plate and just slip it in here like this. Take a 2x4, I'm going to place it here just to, I don't know, make it look nice, cover that little splice up. And there's the underneath of our main living area. Flip it back over. Take a 2x6, we're going to place it here. And a couple of these 1x4 slopes. This is going to help us connect our thing for our upper story, or for our bed section. Now, for just decorations, I'm just going to put some air conditioners on top of this. I think it'll look cool. I'm going to simply take one of these 4x4 hood pieces and a 1x2 plate. We'll place it under here to fill this in. And a 1x2 grate. It looks kind of like an air conditioner. Looks good. And I'm going to place it, probably one right here. And I made two of these, or I made the other one in advance. And I'm going to place it here. There's the roof for our main living area. Just going to simply come in here, we're going to drop it down onto the spot we made for our bathroom. And there you have it. Now let's start building the top for our bedroom. Put that aside there, we don't need that right now. Take two of these 2x10s and a 2x8, slip them together like this. I don't have any pieces to fill the top of this up that are perfect. I'm just going to use some of these 4x10s. Place one here and one here. Take four of these 1x4s. Place two of them on this side and two on this side. This is not pretty good. This is pretty flimsy here. Flip it over. Take a 2x4 plate, slip it in here, and a 2x8 plate, place it here. Now I want to lock this in so it doesn't slide off my bed section. So I'm going to take two of these corner pieces, the corner plates, place one on this side, one over here. Things nicely locked up. And finally we're ready to drop this down on our roof area here. There we have it. Let's take our roof. Let's just simply drop it on top here. Snaps on nice and snug. Here's where the ladder's at. And there we have it, our completed coach. complete with kickstands and a slide out step. Everything looks pretty good. A nice addition for anybody's camping set. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry it took so long to make it in so many pieces, but I think it was worth it. I'm hoping to see some of you guys' creations. Maybe I should just post them up and share them with everybody. Thank you for watching.